I recently spoke with a client who's been implementing food waste audits. After we did training, there was so much excitement among the staff to participate that they actually ended up with a little bit of a too many cooks in the kitchen kind of situation. But the initial confusion that came from having so many people involved actually led to a really nice refinement in the process, as well as even deeper insights into where and why food waste is happening. But what I love most about this story is how it reflects a wonderful culture of inspiration and empowerment. Unfortunately, I've heard our employees don't want to do the work cop out too often. Staff end up feeling like their efforts aren't valued, then they don't feel supported, and then they don't end up doing that extra work, which just justifies management's attitude, and then you end up with this sort of spiraling negative culture. But if you believe that staff want to be a part of positive impact initiatives, that you find out what makes their heart beat and inspire them by connecting initiatives with their interest and their experiences, then you can just stand back and be amazed at the ideas and energy they put forth. You can read more about this story, the rest of the top 10 list of cop-outs and leadership best practices by following the link that comes with this video. And please share your story of positive impact with us at Strapto Academy.